Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.
So if you have a channel already, you're going to go up into your upper right-hand corner and you're going to go down to your YouTube studio section. Once you do that, you're going to see a left-hand column where you have two sections that we're going to go through to optimize your channel, and in the back part, because then we're going to work on the branding part as well. So you could go to your customization, which we'll be doing once we're done with this section, which is the settings section. And once you get these set, about 50% of your setup is complete until we do the branding. Then we start a little bit more. Okay, so the first thing on the settings left panel is your general. Really, all it is about choosing your dollar amount, how you want to get paid, and nothing else. Then you're going to go to your channel section, and the channel section has 3 tabs. Basic information are probably the most important information for your channel. And I'll give you an example of this later, but these tags are going to show up on your channel page for certain people. I promote TubeBuddy as a YouTube channel's best friend. And when you're a TubeBuddy partner or a TubeBuddy customer, you can see everybody's tags for their title, for their channels. And I'll show you what that looks like later. But what you want to do is you want to put down your tags that match your channel. Very important that you put down what people are searching for and not necessarily what you want to put down. Now, everybody wants to have the name of their channel and their name as a tag. But you want most of your tags to be what people are searching for. Are they looking for? In my case, I am a mentor and a strategist, and I help mature people start YouTube channels. If they're mature, then I definitely wanted to put baby boomer and Gen X, because if they're looking up anything like that, I want them to find me. A success for being a YouTube creator, starting a YouTube channel. Am I too old to be a YouTuber? So things that people might be searching for, they may or may not find me there. They may be searching for my companies, and I am Senior Tuber is a subsidiary of Thrive Anyway, which is my corporation. And I also have a podcast. So you put down some of the things that you find are important.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.